Bonjour, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Québec French for Immigration Success. I'm Emily, and today we're tackling something absolutely essential for your Canadian immigration journey: numbers.
Bonjour, I'm Thomas, and I'm really excited about today's episode. I know I'll need numbers for everything: my phone number, my address, my date of birth on immigration forms, even my application numbers.
Exactement. Numbers are crucial for TEF Canada, TCF Canada, and all your immigration documents. You'll need them when filling out forms at Service Canada, giving your postal code at government offices, and during your French exams. Today, we'll learn numbers 0 to 100. Ready to start?
Absolutely. Let's do this.
Perfect. Let's begin with 0 to 10. These are the foundation. First, 0 is zéro. Repeat, zéro.
Zéro.
Good. 1 is un. Say it, un.
Un.
2 is deux. Try, deux.
Deux.
3 is trois. Repeat, trois.
Trois.
4 is quatre. Say it, quatre.
Quatre.
5 is cinq. Try, cinq.
Cinq.
6 is six. Repeat, six.
Six.
7 is sept. Say sept.
Sept.
8 is wheat. Try, wheat.
Wheat.
9 is neuf. Repeat, neuf.
Neuf.
And 10 is dix. Say it, dix.
Dix.
Excellent. Now let's practice them all together. Listen and repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Très bien. Very good. Now, these numbers are critical because in your immigration forms, you'll write things like your phone number. In Canada, phone numbers have 10 digits. For example, my number might be 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 514-234-5678. You say each digit separately.
Oh, so I don't say 514, I say each number individually?
Exactly. In French, we say each digit one by one for phone numbers. Let's practice. If your number is 438 123 4 5 6 7, you would say 4 3 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Try saying 4 3 8.
4, 3, 8.
Perfect. Now, let's continue with numbers 11 to 20. 11 is onze. Repeat, onze.
11.
12 is douze. Say douze.
12.
13 is treize. Try treize.
13.
14 is quatorze. Repeat, quatorze.
14.
15 is quinze. Say quinze.
15.
16 is seize. Try seize.
16.
Good. Now notice that 11 to 16 all end in z. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize. This is a pattern. Now 17 changes slightly. 17 is 17. It's literally 10-7. Say 17.
17.
18 is 18, 10-8. Try 18.
18.
19 is 19, 10-9. Say 19.
19.
And 20 is 20. This is important because we'll build on it. Repeat. 20.
20.
Excellent. Now let's review 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Listen and repeat.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Très bien. Very good. Now, here's where it gets interesting. After 20, French numbers follow a pattern. 21 is 20 et un, literally 20 and 1. Notice we say et, which means and. Try 20 et un.
20 et un.
Perfect. 22 is 22. No et anymore, just 22. Say it, 22.
22.
23 is 23. Try 23.
23.
See the pattern? We use et only for 21, 31, 41, etc. All other numbers are just combined. 24 is 24. Try it.
24.
25 is 25.
25.
26 is 26.
26.
27 is 27.
27.
28 is 28.
28.
29 is 29.
29.
And 30 is 30. Say it, 30.
30.
Excellent. Now you know the pattern. 31 is 30 et un. With et again. Try 30 et un.
30 et un.
32, 32.
32.
Good. Now let me give you the tens now. We have 20 for 20, 30 for 30. 40 is 40. Say it, 40.
40.
50 is 50. Try 50.
50.
60 is 60. Say it, 60.
60.
Perfect. Now, here's something unique about French. 70 is not a separate word. We say 70, literally 60-10. This is the same in Quebec and France. Say 70.
70.
That's interesting, right? And 71 is 71, 60 and 11. Try 71.
71.
72 is 72, 60, 12. Say it, 72.
72.
Good. This continues up to 79, which is 79, 60, 19. Now, 80 is also unique. We say 80, literally 4 20s. Say 80.
80.
Notice the S at the end of vent when we say exactly 80, but when we add more numbers, the S disappears. 81 is 81. Try 81.
81.
82, 82.
82.
Perfect. And 90, we say 90, 4 20 10. Say 90.
90.
91 is 91, 4 20 11. Try 91.
91.
Excellent. And 100 is 100, just 100. Say it. 100.
100.
Perfect. Now, why are these numbers so important for immigration? Let me explain. Your postal code in Canada has numbers. For example, H3B 2T5. You would say H3B 2T5. Try saying 3.
3.
Good. And your age is critical for immigration points. If you're 29 years old, you say, J'ai 29 ans. J'ai means I have. Ans means years. Repeat. J'ai 29 ans.
J'ai 29 ans.
Excellent.